Hey guys, so Apple has now made it official. The Worldwide Developers Conference, WWDC, has now been officially announced by Apple. As you can see right here, it will be happening from June 9th through the 13th. Now, I previously talked about these dates because it typically happens the second week of June, and this year is no exception. So, June 9th through the 13th WWDC. And of course, this also confirms the release date for Apple's next major operating systems in form of beta. Now, obviously, this year, Apple is expected to overhaul the entire look of iOS, giving it some Vision OS cues and design changes similar to this demo that you're looking at here. By the way, if you want to try this out, I'll link it in the description down below. This is our demo of iOS 19, which you can try out on your device. Now, the event will be broadcasted live and you'll be able to watch it on YouTube. But I want to talk about the invitation. As you can see right here, we have the WWDC with the Apple Intelligent colors, but the number 25, that is what caught my attention. What does that look like to you? Now, in my opinion, this is directly referencing some of the translucency rumored to be coming to iOS 19, iPadOS, and macOS. Keep in mind that Mark Gurman basically confirmed that Apple will be redesigning the operating system. One of the biggest overhauls will be happening this year with iOS 19, iPadOS 19, and macOS 16, unifying the user experience and changing how users actually interact with their devices. Again, we have this really cool demo so that you can try it out based on some of the latest rumors of what Apple could be working on for this year's iOS 19. Now, one question I get every single year is, when will the event go live in my time zone? When will I be able to watch the event live? Since everyone's times is different around the world, obviously, the best thing to do is head on over to Apple's website. Again, I'll link this in the description down below and click right here, add to calendar. Now, typically this happens around 1 p.m. Pacific time here in the US. So add it to your calendar, and whatever time it happens on your time zone, your iPhone will notify you right before the event starts. So make sure to add it to your calendar. Now, typically we see the first beta, the first day of the event. So that will happen on June 9th. So on June 9th, Apple will release iOS 19 Beta 1, iPadOS 19 Beta 1, and of course, all the other updates in form of Beta 1 for all the other platforms. So again, June 9th through the 10th, make sure you mark your calendars. Let me know if you're excited. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.